Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to find your headphones QCY T13. You have to start by open QCY application. Now go to settings. Click on find headset. And now we can play a song, so just click on it. And as you can hear, nothing, because you should increase the volume on your headphones, on your phone. And as you can hear, it increasing this sound. So when you find it, just click pause, playback, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!